In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your calendar from Yahoo Calendar to Google Calendar, also known as Gmail. Let's dive into this process, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. First, we'll need to navigate to Yahoo Mail. This is where you'll start the journey of migrating your calendar data. Once you're logged in, shift your attention to the top right corner of the interface, where you'll see the option to open your calendar. Go ahead and click on the calendar icon to proceed. As the calendar opens, you'll want to select the full view. This gives you a comprehensive look at all your events and schedules. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a section labeled My Calendar. Hover over the calendar you wish to transfer to Google. This step is crucial as it determines which set of events you're selecting for the migration process. Once you're hovering, an option will appear to open a folder menu. Click on it, and then proceed to click on Export. This function will allow you to begin the export of your calendar. A confirmation prompt will appear in which you'll confirm the calendar you intend to export as an .ics file. The ICS format is widely used for calendar data transfer, ensuring your events will smoothly cross over into Google Calendar. Now that we have the ICS file ready, the next step is to open up Google Calendar in your browser. Head over to the left part of the screen where you'll find Other Calendars. Find the small plus button and click it for more options. Select Import to bring your calendar data into Google. You'll encounter a prompt asking you to select a file from your computer. This is where you'll upload the .ics file that you downloaded from Yahoo. Once uploaded, you'll be asked to choose which Google Calendar you want to add these events to. If your existing calendars don't meet your needs, you can create a new one for this purpose, providing an organized approach to keep your events structured. Finally, click Import. This action triggers the final step of the migration, and within moments your Yahoo events will appear in Google Calendar. You should now see all your scheduled activities integrated seamlessly, allowing you to manage your time more effectively with Google's suite of productivity tools. And there you have it, an easy and efficient way to transport your schedules and appointments from Yahoo to Google. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this tutorial makes your calendar transition as smooth as possible. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. See you next time.